eye doctor's appointment, my retinal specialist appointment. But I wish we had filmed. Grace just sold another batch of chicks. So I wish we had filmed that, but I'll just tell you about it because it's just really exciting to me that she's starting her little business, little chick business. See ya.
See you later.
Can I start business? Don't drop it. Just say holy smokes.
Alright guys, let's go. We have a few things that we are gonna do while Mama's in her appointment. We're not gonna go far though because we gotta pick her up. I don't know what's gonna happen at her appointment.
Can we go to Tractor Supply?
I don't think we're going to Tractor Supply right now. First, baby fussing, but first we're pumping gas and just checking the air in the tires and the oil, power steering fluid, all that good stuff.
Look both ways before you cross, just in case.
It's like so high.
A moose, it would probably be.
Did you know moose could be that big?
Yeah.
Look how big it is.
Like they put fake spit in their mouth.
Crazy, huh? The bear freaks you out. Why is that?
I like it. If it came alive, it would be really scary.
It would be. What do y'all think about that?
There's a way to go in.
It tells you what all the animals are.
Are they real?
Yeah?
Whoa, gas giant.
I'm looking for 410 slugs to shoot hogs with. I've always used the 22 rifle. Hey Buster, don't screaming. I've always used the 22 rifle, but I like the idea of moving to the 410. We're at Tractor Supply. We were gonna look at ducks and buy 1 bag of animal food, but Bree is done, Mama's done, so we gotta go. Let's go.
Hi. Oh, what now?
Hi.
My eyes hurt so bad right now.
Why do they hurt?
All this stuff.
What did they do to you?
It's just eye drops and stuff.
Those are cool glasses.
Can you see?
Do you know my sunglasses?
Did they dilate both eyes?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Can you see?
The kids always want to see my eyelids.
Can you see?
Is it really bright?
It's so painful.
Oh, never mind.
Well, close your eyes.
If it hurts you, then we won't
Yeah.
see. Mama, can you see?
Where'd y'all go? Where'd y'all go?
Well, we went to one store and we're about to go to Tractor Supply.
Where are we going to Tractor Supply?
All right, everyone out. We're eating Mexican for lunch. We gotta get lunch in town. Didn't pack lunch. That's it.
I'm so glad you took off work because I really cannot see. I can't see.
They're sending her to get a couple lab tests, but first we're gonna run to the roads to pick something up for all of our butchering days coming up soon.
That dog can jump on you.
Sometimes.
Yeah. It would be nice to have a few.
How are you?
There's a few
Good, but
varieties
slow.
you can't get locally that I would like to
Doing
start.
great. I only taught you one so far.
Oh, you taught me time lapse too. Do you know that?
Oh, yeah,
Way
I remember
back
that.
in the day on G7X.
Well, I may know something then.
So
I
you
don't
taught
know.
me the white balance, and so now what else are you gonna teach me today?
Push the pedal. Whoa, go!
All right, go.
Go! Look at me!
Coming in other areas of the farm. It is spring. Grass is here. You just gotta get to it.
That's not like
There's the vacuum sealer.
That's not cleaning up nice after myself.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting us borrow your vacuum sealer.
Thank you so much. I hope I can get the bags.
We turned ourselves in the
You can get them in time.
Amazon, I think.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Good luck butchering.
Oh yeah, it'll go good.
He texted me and said the grinder's on its way.
Yay! All right, bye. Everyone load up.
And they were already on their way out. That's all.
We've been everywhere we're going to be today except Tractor Supply, so we're grabbing a couple things, and then we'll finally get to head home.
Hi guys.
And we'll tell you what the doctor said to Brianna.
What about Mom's bag?
Grace wants to buy ducks, Mom wants to buy plants. I know I say this a lot on the videos when we go out and come home, but I am so happy to be home. So happy. Yesterday, we got home from the Rhodes house.
And we all passed out on the couch.
Our other errands, and we crashed. We didn't even finish filming the video. I fell asleep and putting Brighton to bed, and you fell asleep on the couch. We just crashed. So we wanted to give you a quick update on that doctor's appointment to finish this video up.
So the update is that there's not a whole lot to tell you. I went to the retinal specialist yesterday, and they did a whole lot of tests, and then I saw the doctor, and he really is uncertain what's happening. He sees the problem. He sees that there is something on my retina, and he's still unsure, one, what it is, and two, what is causing it.
You need to wait a second, buddy.
Just a minute, okay? So, all that to say, I have to actually go get more testing done to rule out some of his ideas of what it could be, or to even pinpoint what it could be. And then we go back again in 2 weeks.
One of them, I don't know if I can say this, was one of the things was actually a parasite.
Yeah.
Which is possible that it's actually like a parasitic infection.
Yeah. And no, it's not caused from living on a farm. I know that's going to be y'all's first thought because it was mine. And I talked to him about that, and he said no, this particular parasite issue could be caused from, you can get it anywhere.
From the soil, from anywhere.
Yeah, you can get it just basically anywhere. I'm not really going to say what it is because I don't really want y'all to diagnose me. But don't be afraid. I don't think it's like super common for this to happen if this is what it is. But he just basically said it's not from living on a farm if it is this particular theory that he has.
It was reassuring, wasn't it? That you said it was somewhat reassuring, your visit with him. It wasn't like catastrophic
I mean, I
outcomes as opposed to the other doctor? Or?
Yeah, so the other doctor seemed a lot more concerned. I think mainly because she didn't know what was going on. He doesn't know what's going on either, but he didn't say he wasn't concerned. He just, I don't know, he just didn't worry me as much as the other doctor did. That means nothing.
He said we're basically going to try to figure it out though.
Yeah. Just because he didn't act concerned or say he was concerned doesn't mean he wasn't. It's just that it didn't, I don't know, I didn't really leave reassured, no.
Okay.
I'm not more scared.
So how did you feel after that appointment?
I felt the same. I was a little freaked out by the idea of a parasite. But I basically just feel the same. And I'm mostly kind of like letting myself just be in a holding place because that's where we're at. Nobody knows yet, and more tests have to be done. So that's how I feel.
I'm glad I took off work though. You legitimately couldn't see when you walked out of there. Like no. We went out to eat and you couldn't even read the menu. I was reading it off to you.
Yeah. I could not see. So I am very glad that you drove me around yesterday.
Folks, thank you for your concern and all the great comments on the last video on her eye. Thank you for your care and support. And we will see you in a video really soon. We've got some exciting stuff coming up.
Yes, we do.
Bye.